Cross your fingers on this here. Fuck. Hang on. Ah. Well, that didn't work. So, a Chevy engine and a Ford truck. A lot of Ford guys are already giving me crap, but whatever. So I was thinking, do we go hit me orange or do we go Ford blue, or what is Chevy? Chevy orange or international gray, or I think this is a mushroom truck. I've been doing a little bit of thinking. I kind of want to do red valve covers, green block, and white polka dots. Oh yeah. Because then it'll look like the mushroom on Mario. Right? Because it's the mushroom truck? Anyways, if you got an idea, comment down below. Give me some ideas, man. So after like 20 something attempts, or not 20 something, like 10 attempts, I was using a 5/16" nut. Tried and mind you, all the exhaust bolts that broke off were deep in the head. And I used a 3/8" nut and welded it to it. I don't know if you can see that. Welded it to it and it came right out. I just basically put the nut on there with some needle nose and just straight dead center just held the gun and just let it bake until it filled all the way up. And then I let go of it. And then I waited about 10 seconds until it wasn't orange anymore. Cracked it with a 14 millimeter and it came right out. So I'm gonna try the other two. One of them I messed up, freaked up or whatever, and I'm gonna have to helicoil it because it didn't come out very good. But crossed. It's coming out. That's what we want. Don't use a little bitty nut. Use a fucking 3/8 and just fucking put it dead center and hold it. It won't melt the aluminum. I thought it would blow out the aluminum. It doesn't. Aluminum still looks pretty sexy. Look at that. It's not even that hot. And it's not even centered. It doesn't even have to be. So, that's good to know. There you go. So, gonna get a helicoil for this tomorrow, and gonna get some paint. Let me know what color I should go with. Really digging the mushroom polka dot, and all I need to put this in is a rear main seal kit and a torque converter, and it can go in. I'm kind of waiting on some cash for the motor mounts, and then we'll get the. I was gonna make motor mounts, but it's like $50 more to just buy the motor mounts for an LS swap. So yeah, hopefully pretty soon we'll get that in there and stab it in there, and then I'll pull the bed in here and we'll shorten the bed. That's gonna be fun. That shouldn't take too long. I think it's gonna be pretty easy. But anyways, t-shirts and sweatshirts on our website. Pick one up. It helps out a little bit. And Draftsman Customs. Make sure you subscribe to this because it makes me feel It makes me feel loved inside. And, or whatever. Anyways, take care, man. Love you all.